I want to see a young person rise. The time is now. The time is now to hear your voices from the rooftop here in the heart of Parliament, the Senate Parliament, the Senate Cymru, the seat of government. I want to see our young people stand as prime ministers and first ministers of the future, as members of the Senate, as members of councillors, as people who are going to be members of Parliament to represent our voices. Now is the time. Now is the time to stand and speak of racial injustice that is afflicting the lives of so many people, that saw so many of our black brothers and sisters killed in between 2020 and 2021. Now is the time to speak. Now is the time for young people to rise. Rise because you deserve that platform and that stage in history. Now is the time to rise positively, to contribute as a good citizen of Wales. Now is your time to be that Good Citizen Award recipient.
Sir Isaac George, Miss Zinzi Sibanda, Miss Teresa Oveki, Ibi Abdi, Chinai Biggs, Calvin Jeffrey, Floyd Horton, Daisy Cowell, Lamal Bickleton, Mahbub Basha, Emily Pemberton,
Tamasri Mukhopadhyay, Keba Manes, Miss Heather Powell, come forward. Tajasa Radway. For Reggie Al-Hadi. The outstanding Suzanne Duval. Declan Cahill. Come forward, Chief. Mr. Tom Cheeseman. Marilyn Bryan. Dr. Susan Davis. Donna Ali. Sibu Sisiwe, Queen Nish, Ibed Melek Akotia.